Hi, my name is Unsa Kim, and I'm in charge of marketing at Neurocle. Neurocle delivers software that allows anyone to easily train and deploy deep learning vision inspection models using our unique technology, auto deep learning algorithm. Our core products, Neuro-T and Neuro-R, are designed to simplify the entire model development workflow from image processing to model deployment. By automatically optimizing model architectures and hyperparameters, our auto deep learning eliminates the trial and error process typically required in deep learning development. This enables manufacturers to quickly and reliably solve a wide range of vision inspection challenges without requiring deep learning or AI expertise. At this exhibition, we are showcasing a live demonstration of Neurocle's AI vision inspection models running in real time on Portwell's Jetson-based Edge AI platform. Our deep learning models created in Neuro-T are optimized for NVIDIA Jetson devices, enabling efficient and stable operation even in complex edge environments. This collaboration demonstrates how the combination of Neurocle's lightweight, high-performance models and Portwell's hardware platform can deliver high-speed, real-time vision inspection without the need for high-end servers. In this demo, we are showcasing two representative inspection use cases from actual manufacturing sites. The first is the object detection and classification model used to detect the presence or absence of studs on automotive wheels, an essential quality check to ensure assembly accuracy and vehicle safety. The second is the OCR and segmentation model, which segments the defect and recognizes printed text on the surface of pouch-type batteries, enabling automated verification of serial numbers in battery production lines. Neurocle has extensive experience in both the automotive and battery industries, having provided solutions for various applications such as VIN number recognition, battery cell surface inspection, and defect detection in assembly processes. These use cases demonstrate how our software can be applied not only in these two key sectors, but also across a wide range of industries such as electronics, semiconductors, and precision components, where accurate and reliable vision inspection is essential. Neurocle's deep learning models are designed to be lightweight and optimized for edge environments. Using Neuro-R, users can deploy models on Portwell's compact devices without the need for high-performance servers. The models can process vision inspection efficiently and deliver accurate, real-time results, even for high-resolution inspections directly on the edge.
For more solutions, contact Portwell.